What's the meaning of community service? Community service. Community service.
Community service. Community service. Community service refers to voluntary work undertaken by individuals or groups within a community with the aim of improving the lives of those around them. This can take many forms, such as providing aid to disadvantaged groups, cleaning up local areas, or raising awareness of important issues. The results of community service can be profound, creating a positive impact on individuals, families, and communities, while also promoting a sense of social responsibility and unity. Through community service, people can learn valuable skills, forge meaningful connections, and make a real difference in the world.